Dear students, in today's video, I will talk about the use of models. I hope most of you know what is models and what is the use of the model in English literature. Despite I would start with the definition of modal verbs. A modal is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Before moving forward to models and with description of their use, I would like to tell that all of you should listen it carefully and try to self-analyze the use of different models, because you will realize that in use of two models you will not find far difference, that you can easily know whether you should use can or may, whether you should use should or ought to. So it's better that you be very careful at the time to read models. Move on now. Some models are can, could, may, might, be able to, shall, will, ought to, and many more. I will start with the use of can, could, and be able to. Can, could, and be able to are used to express variety of ideas in English. It can denote different ideas, like can could be used to show ability, permission, possibility. The example of ability is Ram can write a poem. Example of possibility is I can do this work. We can use can to ask permission or give permission as well, like can you lend me your pen, you can borrow my book. This is the case where we use can. Now, and don't keep any confusion regarding the use of could. Could is the past form of can, so could will also be used in the same context, like could be used to show ability, possibility, asking permission, giving permission. Only be the difference that could will be used in past tense, not in present. Means could is the past form of can. We will read now the use of may and might. May could also be used in different places to show different things, like formal permission. Example, you may go now, you may read now. There are many examples could be given. Formal permission I have already told. Polite request, like may I go out. Generally most of not, but all you use in class whenever you have to go or whenever you want to go out. So taking permission of concerned teacher, generally use this word, and this is very popular among all students. possibility or negative possibility, like our company may get the order if the client agrees to the price. Means possibility is not 100% sure and certain. So where there is big possibility, we use may in place of other models. To give suggestion when there is no better option, like you may as well come inside, father will be home soon, or many examples could be given. So we use may to make suggestion, but condition is there that when there is no better option, means when we are optionless, to generally we use may to make suggestion. Polite suggestion, like you may try this book is very important, you may have this option and you may have this choice, you can make use of it. And the same as I told that could is the past form of can, so is the case with might as well. Might is also the past form of may. So I taught in this video the use of can, could, be able to, may and might. These 5 models you have to read yourself, and if you feel, if you have any kind of problem, if you have any kind of confusion regarding the use of these models, you just put your problem in the group tomorrow between 8 to 9 a.m. Once again I would repeat the definition of the models. Model is also a type of verb, like different auxiliary verbs we use, is, are, am, was, were. But where auxiliary verb is used only as a helping verb against or in place of auxiliary verb, modal verbs also play different role. And as I have mentioned that a modal is a type of auxiliary verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, obligation. These things an auxiliary verb cannot denote, cannot express.